Exciting announcement. PocketFi new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the PocketFi airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. PocketFi price prediction. What's next after $Switch goes live? The DeFi world is abuzz with anticipation as PocketFi prepares for a major milestone, the official launch of its governance token, $Switch, on May 20, 2025. With the token generation event, TGE, and the formation of the Switch/TON pool on at @stan_fi happening simultaneously, the project is entering a new phase, ushering in decentralized governance and user incentives. But what makes this launch truly stand out is PocketFi's choice of a Dutch auction model for token distribution, setting it apart from typical first-come, first-served airdrops. So, what does this mean for $SWITCH's price trajectory, and what can investors expect post-launch? $Switch Tokenomics, built for sustainability and community ownership. PocketFi has structured its tokenomics around long-term value and ecosystem growth. Out of a total supply of approximately 3.11 billion tokens, post a 2% token burn, here's how $Switch is allocated. 51% mining rewards, 20% core team, 13% treasury, 9% launch pool, 7% liquidity provision. This distribution shows a clear emphasis on rewarding community engagement and ensuring a strong development and operational foundation. With more than half the supply going toward mining, early users will be heavily incentivized to participate in the network. Meanwhile, smaller liquidity and launch pool allocations may create early price scarcity, an important factor for price discovery. Dutch auction distribution, smart strategy or temporary risk? Instead of a traditional token drop, PocketFi is employing a Dutch auction format for claiming $Switch. In this model, the token starts at a high price, which gradually drops until buyers begin to step in, creating a fairer entry point for all participants. This strategic approach could curb excessive volatility at launch and prevent early whales from dominating the token supply. If executed well, this could lead to stronger early price support, offering a more stable post-launch trading environment compared to the usual pump-and-dump patterns. Price forecast: what to expect when $Switch hits the market. Based on tokenomics, a robust early community, and controlled initial circulation, $Switch is poised for a strong debut. Analysts and community sentiment suggest a listing price between 10 cents and 25 cents in early trades on @stan_fi. The Dutch auction model could amplify buying pressure while the limited liquidity helps create a higher perceived value. However, it's important to note that the absence of Tier 1 centralized exchange (CX) listings could initially limit market momentum. On the flip side, this means lower circulating supply and potential upside for early holders once those larger listings go live. Medium-term outlook: 3 to 6 months. Can $Switch hold value? If PocketFi stays on track with its roadmap, rolling out DeFi integrations, launching community governance, and improving protocol adoption, then the token may stabilize within a 20 cents to 40 cents price range. Though 51% of tokens are reserved for mining, which will steadily increase the circulating supply, strong staking mechanisms and incentives can lock up a good portion of that supply, reducing sell pressure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the PocketFi in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching, *.